Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how you can backup and restore WhatsApp chat to your PC instead of using Google Drive. Now this only works for Android. So if you're looking for a fast way to backup and restore your phone, or someone who is switching phone, this is the perfect method for you. Now what you want to do on your mobile phone, you want to open WhatsApp. Once WhatsApp is opened, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings, and then here you want to tap on chats. Now on chats, you want to scroll to the bottom and tap on chat backup. Here you want to make sure that automatic backup is turned off so that the automatic backup will not override the local backup. You can also include videos in this section if you want to include videos. And here where it says backup using cellular, you want to make sure it's turned off. Now come here and tap on backup. This will start backing up your chats to your phone storage. Now once the backup is complete, you want to connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. If you do not automatically see your phone internal storage, you can drag down from the notification tab, and then here you see USB file transfer. Tap on this, and then you want to make sure you are on file transfer /Android Auto. Now on your PC, you want to open your internal storage, and then once internal storage is opened, you want to go to the section where it says Android. Open Android and then open media. Here you want to find com.whatsapp. You also see com.whatsapp.w4b if you're using WhatsApp Business. So for WhatsApp, you want to open the folder and then open WhatsApp. In this section here, you'll find all your WhatsApp data, your trash, your toms, your shared, database, your backup, and media. In the media here, you find everything including documents, audio files, images, videos, and many more. So this folder holds all you need. What you want to do next is create a new folder and then give a name to the folder. You want to go ahead and copy all this and then paste it in the new folder. Once you've pasted it, you can then disconnect your USB cable from your phone. So on the new phone, what you want to do is first install WhatsApp. So you can install WhatsApp from the App Store, or you can directly install it from their webpage. You can open your browser and then search for download WhatsApp. You'll find these two URLs. You can tap on any of these, it will take you to download page. So tap on download WhatsApp directly and download. This will start downloading the file to your device. So I already do have it installed. So now here what you want to do is open the file and then tap on install. Once WhatsApp is installed, you want to open the app and then tap on agree and continue. Tap on allow to allow all necessary permission. And here what you want to do next is to connect your new device to your PC with a USB cable. Once you have it connected, if internal storage isn't showing on your PC, you want to drag down and then tap on charge this device via USB. Tap on this and then tap on file transfer. Once the internal storage starts showing on your PC, you want to go ahead and open internal storage, and then you want to go to Android, media, and now here you see com.whatsapp. You want to open this folder and then open WhatsApp. Here you see where you paste all the necessary files. So go ahead and open your WhatsApp history, copy all of this, and then paste it in this section. Once you have pasted this, you can go ahead and disconnect the USB from your device. Now go back to WhatsApp and then log in into your WhatsApp account. Now once you're able to log in, tap on continue and give all necessary permissions in this section. The next step is to ask you for backup. On this page, you want to tap on transfer from old phone. Tap on continue, and if it brings you here, you can go ahead and cancel. Here you will see that if you leave this screen, you won't be able to transfer data unless you have a previous backup, which we have a previous backup. Tap on yes in this section and then tap on restore, and this will start restoring your previous backup. Once that is done, tap on next, and if you still see it to restore again, you want to tap on restore. And once that is done, tap on next. This will bring you here. Now tap on next. And this will log you to your WhatsApp with all your chats. Now when you open any chats, you'll see that all your messages has been restored, including those which has been previously downloaded. If you don't find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on. Also let me know in the comment section if this works for you.